doing NV online classroom. Today we will learn Network Basic Plus Chapter 2 Windows 2003 Server Installation. We learn Windows Server 2003 installation. This is the server operating system. For that, first of all, we require one Windows 2003 server installation CD. Insert the CD in CD-ROM, and in our system, first of all, start the seed system with boot CD-ROM. Now see on the screen, the system was start with boot CD-ROM first. System was boot with CD, Windows Server 2003. Windows setup is running now. First of all, system load the kernel and DLL file that required for server setup. Then it load hardware detection files. It load the system bus and other ID devices. It load different controller, USB, modem, LAN card, and different hub drivers. Before the installation, it loads some system files. Just see on the screen. Windows setup is running. It loads some drivers and hardware that required for installation. It also load the SCSI and RAID hardware, floppy disk, CD-ROM. Now, setup starting window is open. After loading the drivers and supported file, open the Windows setup first screen. Here to set up the Windows, press enter. Repeat the Windows, press R. Here first of all we install the Windows. For that, press the enter. Now open the license agreement. Here press the F8 for I agree and escape for I don't agree. Press the F8. Now I agree the license agreement and we go in next screen. These are the partition creation screen. Here press C for create the partition and press D for delete the partition. Here on screen there are unpartitioning phase. First of all press C and create the partitions. Type the partition size. Here we type the 5000 MB and press the enter. Now create the 5 GB partition. You also create the next partition. Just press the arrow key and select the C button. Press enter. Now finally create a partition. Just select the C drive and press enter. Now create the format partition screen. Select the head partition, quick partition, and then press the enter. To continue format, press enter. Now system formatting is running. Here our C drive is first of all formatted and then install some system file and operating system in C drive. After formatting, just check the C drive. After checking the C drive, setup, copy some system file in our C drive. different files are copied in the C drive. This process takes 15 minutes. Okay, you see, first of all we create the partitions. Here we create two partitions, C and D. Then select the partition C and press the enter. After creation the partition, we require to format the partition. Basically there are two types to format the partition, for FAT and NTFS. And we select the FAT and then press the enter. After formatting the C drive, just check the C drive, and after checking the C drive, it copy the some system files in a C drive. The file are copied. After copying this file, the system is rebooted. After reboot the system, the Windows Server 2003 installation is started. After rebooted, you don't press any key. If you press any key, then system was started with CD, booted with CD. And then this process is running second time. So after rebooted this time, don't press any key. You see the one message, press any key to boot from CD. If you press any key, you boot from CD. Then this process is running second time. But after copies the system file in our C drive, it not require to boot from CD. Some INF files are loaded. Now, system was rebooted. Press enter. System restart. Message, press any key to boot from CD. Don't press any key. Okay, now system is start. The setup is running. You see the one message on the screen. Setup will complete in approximately 39 minutes. Basically it's take a 40 minutes. This is a setup process. Now installing the different devices. You see the progress bar on the screen. First of all, let's install the devices. Basically there are 5 steps to install process. First is the collecting information, second is the dynamic update, then preparing installation. Here start the installing window process. After completing the installing window process, it finalizes the installation. Here start the installing window process. Now open the Windows Setup wizard, press next. Now type the name, press next. Now enter the product key. This is a license product key. Enter the Windows 2000 server in with